Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm going to open day 19 of the Advent calendar that I am doing with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, Beth Ramsden, and J Dolls UK. I'm going to reach in and pull out a surprise. We mailed these to one another. We each sent 8 gifts to 3 of the other people. 8 times 3 is 24, and that is perfect for an Advent calendar, December 1st through the 24th. This one is from Beth Ramsden. I'm trying to be very careful. I have a broken fingernail. It's going to have to go. I don't want it cut really. Let me carefully cut this. Very, very, very carefully. There we go. This is from Beth. I know because of the paper. I can pull this out. Oh gosh, I love these. Aren't these adorable? She has made me 3 of these. I absolutely love them. They clip onto the doll's hair. And for the Blythe dolls, these are the perfect size. Look at these fat cats. I absolutely love this. These are so nice, Beth. Thank you so much for making these for me. I will enjoy these. I'm telling you, I love them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.